Here's an Excel trick to fill in sequence number when your worksheet has irregular merged cells. This is the data set and I want to fill in the sequence number in the number column. If I use a field series in Excel, notice that Excel gives me this error because all of the cells has different sizes. So what I can do is to first select all of the cells that I want to fill in the numbers, and then on the keyboard type in equals count A. And then select the cell above, then type in colon symbol, and then at the first address, the first cell address, the first A1, press on the F4 to make it absolute reference. Then close parentheses and hit on Control Enter. And now I got all of the cells nicely filled in the correct sequence. Alright, basically what this formula does is to count all the non-blanks value above. So like for example, this 3 is actually counting from A1 onto A6. So it's actually 3 values over here. So it's a 3. So definitely try it out. And if you find this useful, make sure to follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.